Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to ban a customer in Shopify. So simply what you need to do, just go to the customer page. So here add a new customer. So just type the name here, like I'm typing the random name here, and also add all the details, like I'm adding email address. So here type the cell phone number. You can also use all these options. Now after this, now you have to click on save button. So just on the top right side there is save button available. So here you can see we cannot add a customer. We have to go add a correct cell phone number here. So I am typing the correct cell phone number here. So here you can see we have successfully added number. Now click on save button. So here you can see our customer is added. So now how to delete it? So simply select the customer. Now click here and now delete the customer. So in this way you can ban a customer in Shopify.